Hello class, this is Martin Tellez and I am doing the Dawn mission to Ceres for the activity for GLG 105. And as you can see, I have some pictures here of Ceres, supposed pictures, and we landed there in March of 2015, and it was after its trip to Vesta that we landed there. Its goal was to characterize the conditions and processes, and what they learned was that it was a lot like Mars, surprisingly. And the jet propulsion got it there. Took 5.5 years. On to my next slide here. You can see the surfaces of Ceres. And do I think that it was a successful mission? I do think it was a successful mission because we obviously got super far out there, all the way to Pluto's moon, so I would definitely call that successful. And here is the main reference that I used. And I hope to see you here soon when I do my mission report for Pluto. Thank you.